I am so shook right now. I mean, how amazing.
So today we're going to be looking at the latest and greatest in Adobe Lightroom.
We've got AI Sharpen, we have Generative Upscale, and we have Photo to Video. And what's cool is that all of them are available right within Adobe Lightroom. So there's no need to be like switching over programs or apps. You can do it all right in Lightroom. So that's pretty cool. We were like capturing this little like iguana or like lizard that was like passing by, not iguana, lizard. It was moving so fast and I was just like, oh my gosh, this is the only photo that I got as close as possible, but you could tell that it's just slightly out of focus. So this is a great use case for AI Sharpen, right? Photo enhance with AI. I can go into AI Sharpen. It's gonna analyze the photo, enhance the detail, fix the blurriness. Okay, so this is the OG. And then this is the new version. Are you kidding me?
What a difference.
Oh my
gosh. Look at all the
gosh.
texture that it picked up on the lizard.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
That's insane.
That is crazy.
Wow, look at all that texture. Incredible. So there's one option
I need this for all of my photos because
right?
talking about shaky hands. Like, I don't think
I
I've
know.
taken
Seriously.
a non-blurry photo in my life.
We can go over to Generative Upscale, which is actually something I've been using a lot lately for a photo exhibit that I've been working on. It's actually a mixed media, combining old childhood photographs and embroidery stitching.
Oh, I love
so
that.
I've printed out these photos, right? So it's important for me that with these, I mean, these are just like scanned 4x6 or, like very small
little
images.
Photos, yeah.
Yeah. And so I've been using Generative Upscale to increase the quality so that when they get printed, the quality is better. So here's original. Here's after we sharpened it. And then here's the resolution. Like, look at that. Like already, that's
you can tell.
huge. You could tell. Mm-hmm. Incredible. So you can use these two tools in conjunction and really like salvage and rescue all these like old photos, which is awesome. This pouring one, right? Like I think that would be a fun one to like add a little bit of motion to.
Yeah.
So
I would be curious just as an experiment to see how that works,
Yeah, same. Okay, so let's do subtle motion. It's going to generate a prompt for us, which I love because sometimes I don't want to have to think about like words. This is why I took the photo in the first place, you guys, so that I don't have to verbalize. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Look at that.
You guys.
That worked really well, especially like even the color shift of the coffee.
I mean, the texture, everything, incredible quality.